Today, I'm going to show you how to fix eBay payment errors so your order goes through. First, go ahead and open your eBay account and log into it. From here, go to the top right corner and click on My eBay. Then after that, go and click on the second option. This page should be open and click on Accounts. After you do so, go to Payment Information and click on Payments. From here, you will have to add your payment methods. Now, usually once you go through a proceed of payments, like an order, you buy something, you'll go through here and you need to add your card. So make sure that you choose Checkout, click on Continue, and here choose the right payment gateway that you want. There is credit and debit card, PayPal, and Venmo. Choose the right one and make sure that it has enough funds in it. So here, for example, I'm going to choose credit card or debit card. Click on Continue. You go here, put your credit card number, expiration date, security code, first name and last name, and here your billing address. Once you have added it, simply all you need to do next is to go and buy something, and of course, make sure that you have enough balances within your account.